In this video, I am going to show you how to edit the header in Shopify. First, log into your Shopify store. Once you're in the dashboard, go to the left-hand side of your screen and click on Online Store. After that, scroll down and locate your active theme. In front of your theme, click on the Customize button. This will open up the theme editor. In the theme editor interface, look towards the upper left-hand side of your screen where you will see the header section. At the top of the header section, you'll also notice the announcement bar. If you wish to hide the announcement bar, hover over it from the left panel and click on the eye icon once. Now click on Header to start editing the main header of your store. One of the first things you can adjust is the logo position. You'll see multiple positioning options here. By default, the logo is placed in the center, but you can choose a different position, such as left-aligned or right-aligned. After making a change, click Save at the top right corner of the screen. Sometimes changes may not appear in the preview immediately, so it's helpful to open your website in another browser tab. Refresh the page, and you'll be able to confirm whether the logo has moved as expected. Going back to the header customization page, you'll see more options, such as the mobile logo position. Switch the view to mobile, and then change the mobile logo position from center to left, or vice versa. You'll see the change reflected instantly. As you scroll down in the menu, additional options become available. For instance, you can change your store's main navigation menu, add a drop-down, or switch to a drawer-style layout. There's also a setting for sticky headers. If you want your header to remain visible even when scrolling, click on the drop-down next to Sticky Header and select Always. After that, click Save again. Go to your Live Website tab, refresh the page, and try scrolling down. You'll see the header stay in place. Back in the editor, you can also modify the color scheme of the header and the menu to match your branding. Scroll further down to adjust spacing and margins if needed. Once you've made all the desired changes, click Save in the top right corner again. Return to your other browser tab, refresh the page, and all changes will now be visible. And this is how you can edit the header in Shopify.